In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a column in Elementor. If you're looking to enhance the layout of your web page or post, adding a column can give you more control over your design elements and help create a more organized and visually appealing structure. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to open the Elementor editor on your chosen page or post. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to utilize the powerful tools Elementor provides to customize your site. Once you're in the editor, you'll see a familiar layout with a plus icon at the top of the page. This icon is your gateway to adding a new section, which is the foundation for placing new columns. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. You'll be prompted to choose a column structure. Now this part is crucial because your choice here will impact how your content is displayed. You can opt for several configurations, such as 2 columns, 3 columns, and more, depending on your design needs. For this tutorial, consider starting with something simple, like 2 or 3 columns, to understand how they work before exploring more complex layouts. Once you've selected your desired structure, you'll see your new columns appear on the page. They might look empty now, but this is where the real fun begins. Your next step is to populate these columns with widgets. Elementor offers a wide range of widgets, which you can locate in the panel on the left side of your screen. Some popular choices include text, image, and button widgets, each serving a different purpose in your design. To add these widgets to your columns, simply click and drag the widget of your choice from the panel into the desired column on your page. This is as straightforward as it sounds. Just click, drag, and drop. For example, you might drag a text widget into the first column to add a paragraph or heading. Then, you could bring an image widget into the second column to display a picture, and perhaps a button widget in the third column if you chose a 3-column structure. As you place each widget, feel free to tweak their settings and appearance to better suit your design vision. Elementor offers various customization options for every widget, allowing you to adjust things like size, color, alignment, and more, ensuring everything aligns perfectly with your overall theme. And there you have it, a newly structured section with your chosen layout and content seamlessly integrated. Adding a column in Elementor is a powerful way to structure your web page, bringing clarity and engagement to your content. So take your time to experiment and refine until you achieve a layout that speaks to your audience. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and happy designing!